Today we're diving into the top 5 AI tools that every student must try out in 2025. These tools can easily change the way you research, think creatively, present your ideas, and so much more. At the end of this video, you learn about these amazing AI tools which will help you create your study system and help you work smarter and not just harder. Let's dive straight into it. Let's start with the first and most essential AI tool, Perplexity AI. This isn't just another chatbot or search engine. It's a research assistant built to give you clear, evidence-based answers instantly. Here's what makes it different. When you ask a question, say explain photoelectric effects in simple terms, Perplexity doesn't just give you a random response. It actually searches trusted academic and web sources, study their content, and then create a summarized, accurate answer in real time. Perplexity is especially powerful for students who are working on projects, revising for exams, or even writing essays. Instead of scrolling through pages of multiple links, you can easily go on Perplexity, and Perplexity filters everything in such a way that is clear and easy to understand. Perplexity is able to give you factual and citation based answers, which is perfect for academic use. It helps you to understand complex topics in seconds, and it saves you from wasting hours searching across multiple sites. Next up, we have NotebookLM. NotebookLM is an incredible AI tool created by Google that's designed to help students understand what they learn, not just collect information. NotebookLM works like a personal learning assistant that can actually read and comprehend your study materials. You can upload lecture notes, PDFs, articles, or research papers, and it will analyze all of them intelligently. So you guys can come over here to upload your source. You select the document you want, and after that, it's going to take a while to process. As you can see, NotebookLM can help you build mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, reports, and so much more. After that is done, you can now go ahead and type in here what you want. And after a little while, you can see it has now summarized everything. This makes it incredibly useful when you're having exams or when you're having multiple readings. You can understand dense chapters or even find connections between various topics. NotebookLM keeps your notes, research, and references in one place. It explains difficult sections in an easy to grasp way, and it's perfect for revision, project preparation, and even group discussions. Moving on to the next two. Notion AI is one of the most powerful and flexible study companions any student can use. If you come over here, you can find out what's new on Notion AI, you can write meeting agendas, analyze PDFs or images, and create task trackers. All you need to do, guys, is to enter your prompt over here, and Notion AI takes care of everything. It's that easy to use. At its core, Notion is a workplace where you can write, plan, and organize everything from lecture notes and assignments to daily goals and ideas. But when you add Notion AI into that, it becomes something much more, a digital brain that helps you think, structure, and study more effectively. Notion AI can create to-do lists for you for upcoming tests, exams, or projects. It can also summarize long notes into short revision cards. It can also quiz you based on these notes, all in the same workspace. Now, let's be honest. Sometimes the best ideas strike at the most random times. You could be taking a walk, scrolling through a post, or just thinking about a project, and suddenly an idea flashes. But the moment you get busy, that idea is gone forever. That's when Napkin AI comes in. Napkin AI is like your AI powered idea memory, a space where your thoughts don't just get stored but actually grow smarter over time. You can start off by importing or pasting your text into Napkin. After that, you can click on generate visuals and it's able to generate various images based on the information you provided for it. After that, you can polish it up by adding icons, decorators, connectors, and so much more just to match what you really want for your PPT or presentation. And you can take it anywhere and export it as PPT, PNG, PDF, and so much more. Next on the list is Gamma AI. Now, for me, creating slides and PPTs can be really stressful and time consuming, which is where Gamma AI comes in. All you need to do is enter in your prompt, and in seconds, Gamma AI generates fully designed PPTs for you. It's that simple. Now, after you're all signed in into Gamma, all you need to do is come over to this page and then enter in what you want to create. If it's a presentation, you enter what presentation you want to make, the slides you would like to see, and then it's going to generate that for you instantly. So guys, after you enter in your prompt, you then create an outline based on the information you gave it. And if you come down over here, you can make any changes you would like. And when you're satisfied with everything, you can come down here and click on generate. It then brings you over here, guys, and as you can see, it's now generating our presentation slides on social problems and how those social problems can be resolved. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet to get us to 200 subscribers. But wait, if you guys want to learn how to build anything by just entering your prompt, then you want to check out this video right over here. As always, I'm wishing you guys all the best. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.